Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video, we are going to be making one of the richest delicacies from the eastern part of Nigeria, which is Ofe Nsala, also known as white soup. Here are the ingredient list for this recipe. We have goat's meat, we have assorted meat, we have stockfish, we have Uziza leaves, we also have Ogiri. We also have Aiden fruits, which is optional. Here we have Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using the flavorful kind of pepper. We also have the mixed ingredients, mixed spices. For this soup, we have crayfish. As we proceed, you will get to see other ingredients. In a clean pot, I add in the protein, which is the goat head, the assorted, and the stockfish. I go ahead to season with seasoning cubes, salt, little onions, and pepper. The onion is optional. I stir that to combine and cover and allow to cook in its own juice. As you all know, my name is Rachel. I'm a Nigerian. Kindly subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you. Yam is another ingredient for this recipe. It serves as the thickener. So I'm going to prep this now, then proceed to add it to the pot. Note, you can actually cook this separately, but I like adding mine to the boiling pot because it helps to hasten my cooking process. Back to the boiling pot. This is what we have. I'm going to stir this, then add water, enough water, then proceed by adding the yam we prepped earlier. Then I will add Aiden fruits. Cover this and allow to cook till the yam is tender. At this point, the yam is tender. I'm going to scoop this out and transfer to a food processor. Then proceed by adding more water to the pot. back to the pot. I'm going to go in with my secret ingredients, which is Ofe Nsala spices. If you want a video of the secret ingredients, do let me know in the comment section. Then I add in the seasoning cubes, salt, ogiri, crayfish. Then I go in with the blended yam. Then I stir that, cover, and bring to a boil. Guys, at this point, my environment smells so yummy. Look at that deliciousness. Okay, I will proceed to add pepper. I'm adding pepper at this point because I'm using the flavorful kind of pepper, so I want the flavor to still be retained in the soup. Then I proceed to add the remaining crayfish. I'm very generous with crayfish when it comes to cooking. Then I go in with the Uziza leaves, stir that to combine, and allow to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the soup has thickened to my preferred consistency. So you can enjoy this with pounded yam, oatmeal, fufu, semo, gari. As for me and my household, we are enjoying this with semo. So let's proceed to making the semo. Firstly, I love to dissolve my semo in cold water before adding to the boiling water. In the boiling water, I'm going to add oil. I'm adding this oil because I do not want the semo to be sticky. Then I'm going to scoop out some water. Then I proceed to add the already dissolved semo. Stir that before adding the powdered one. Guys, at this point, I'm turning the semo with all my power and might. So after all the turning, I'm going to add in the water I scooped out earlier. Then cover this and allow to cook on low heat for at least 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I am going to continue to stir very well to combine. Then after which I turn off the heat and serve. Guys, did you enjoy the video? If you do, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share with your loved ones and friends. Thank you. I will see you in my next one. I love you all. Bye.